Central Bank Home Finance Limited is the subsidiary bank of Central Bank of India, which has released the recruitment notification to fill up 30 vacancies of various designations like officers and managers. The online registration process starts from 14th October 2020 and the last date to apply for these jobs is 23rd October 2020. Those who are interested can check these details and apply online before the last date. There are 30 vacancies under this recruitment. Officers 10 vacancies, senior officers 11 vacancies, junior managers 3 vacancies, assistant managers 3 vacancies and managers 3 vacancies. Totally 30 vacancies are available under this recruitment. You can also observe category wise vacancies. For SCs 4 vacancies, STs 1 post and OBCs 9 and economically weaker sections 3, unreserved candidates 13. Let us check the eligibility criteria to apply for these jobs. Eligibility will be considered as on 30th September 2020. For officers, the age limit will be between 22 to 35 years and the applicant should be a graduate with basic computer knowledge with minimum 1 year work experience. For senior officers, junior managers and assistant managers, the age should be between 25 years to 35 years and the applicant should be a graduate with basic computer knowledge for all these 4 jobs. And work experience will be different. For senior officers 3 years, for the junior managers 4 years, for assistant managers 5 years and for manager posts 7 years work experience required. The selection process involves online exam and personal interview. Those who are qualified in the online exam will be called for personal interview. The online exam pattern will be like this. There are 200 questions for 200 marks. These 200 questions will be under 4 sections: reasoning, English language, quantitative aptitude, general economy, banking awareness. The total time duration of the exam is 2 hours. Application fee to apply for these jobs is for SC, ST and OBCs 300 rupees. For general categories 1000 rupees. The salary details for these jobs is for officers 3 lakhs per annum, for senior officers 4 lakhs per annum, junior managers 4.25 lakhs per annum, for assistant managers 4.5 lakh, managers 6 lakhs per annum. Other than these, there will be additional benefits like medical insurance, life insurance, performance incentives, leave encashment, retirement benefits, etc. as per the rules of the company. Let us check how to apply for these jobs. Before going to apply online, you have to keep all these things to avoid any interruption between the application process. First of all, scan the photograph and signature of the applicant and keep online payment details to pay the application fee and also have a valid personal email ID and phone number to get intimations regarding the recruitment process in between. Here I am going to explain you step-by-step procedure to apply online. First, go to careers page of the Central Bank official website, that is cbhfl.com, and click on apply online of specific post which you want to apply for and click on new registration link and fill the application form and then upload the scanned copies and then pay the fee and then recheck and submit the application. If you want to check the official notification and how to apply online, go to this website. See, this is the official notification details. Whichever we have discussed in the video, all these are available here. This is the official notification. If you want to check, you can check. To apply online for these jobs, first go to the website cbhfl.com and click on careers page. You can see the job opportunities. You can observe if you want to apply for officer post, click here. If you want to apply for senior officers, click here. For example, if I want to apply for officer post, here I am clicking so that here I can get these details. When will be the last date of this application? Application process starts from 14th October and closes on 23rd October. If you don't have any registration number and password, click here for new registration so that you can get this form. Here you can fill the basic information like first name, contact details like mobile number and email ID. After filling these basic details, click on save and next button so that you can go to this form where you have to upload photo and signature. After that, click on save and next button so that you can go to other page where you have to fill some more details and preview the filled application details and then upload the scanned copies whichever they have asked there and then pay the application fee and finally submit the application. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel for latest updates. Click on subscribe button and bell button so that you can get my latest videos as notification. Thank you.